Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your billing address on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your account management page where you can view and modify various account settings, including payment information. Now, on the account details page, look for the section that says Add a payment method to this account. If you already have a saved payment method, you'll instead see an option that says Manage Payment Method. Since I don't have any saved payment methods on this account, the only option visible here is Add a payment method to this account. It's worth noting that Steam requires you to add or update a payment method in order to modify your billing address, as the address is tied directly to your payment information. Go ahead and click on Add a payment method to this account. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu appear where you can select your payment type. Click on this drop-down menu to choose between Visa or MasterCard, along with other available payment options. Select your preferred payment method from the list. This determines what type of card information you'll need to enter in the following steps. After selecting your payment method, you'll need to enter your card details. Type in your card number, expiration date, and both your first and last name exactly as they appear on your card. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with payment processing down the line. Now here's where you'll update your billing address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields, including your city, postal code, and phone number. This is the key step for changing your billing information, so double check that everything is correct and matches the address associated with your payment method. Having accurate billing information ensures smooth transactions and helps prevent any payment failures when purchasing games or other content on Steam. Once you've filled in all the required information and verified that your new billing address is correct, click the Continue button to save your changes. Steam will process the information and update your account with the new billing address. And that's it. You've successfully changed your billing address on Steam by adding or updating your payment method with the new information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.